If you're anything like me, acting jobs are few and far between. So, you might as well learn how to shoot your own jobs. Well, fortunately, Blackmagic just released an app for you yesterday that's going to help you learn how to shoot like a real filmmaker using your iPhone. Up next on Actors Tech. This is the Blackmagic Camera app, and it's designed with an interface that looks exactly like the interface on Blackmagic cameras, so it's a perfect tool to learn how to use a Blackmagic camera. This will be a brief tutorial of all the features that you can find in the Blackmagic Camera app. The rectangle at the top right will show your assist tools. Everything from zebras to focus assist to rule of thirds to frame guides to safe areas to false color and LUTs, lookup tables. You have the ability to turn these features off and on or adjust these features as you're recording or before and after you record. The focus assist does exactly what it sounds like. You can touch the screen and focus on different parts of the image that you're looking at. Option 3 allows you to choose from anything from crosshairs to the rule of thirds and display that on the screen. The frame assist allows you to set your frame. The frame guides include aspect ratios of various cinema, television, and online standards. The Safe Area Guide allows you to create a safe zone for different types of productions. The False Color option allows you to see if you have any overexposed or underexposed parts of your image. There's actually a guide to help you on the left-hand side of the screen. To fix your exposure, you just need to go to the aperture area, turn off auto, and then adjust the image so you don't see any red. And now you can see that the image is properly exposed. One of the areas that I'm not sure is working correctly is the off-standard cinematic extreme area. I think they're supposed to be color profiles or like the cinematic mode on the iPhone, but they don't seem to do anything when you switch between each of them. Looking at the top menu, you'll see the lens option. That option allows you to change between each of the lenses on your device. I'm using the iPad mini, so there's only two, the front and the back lenses. If you're using an iPhone Pro, you can switch between all three of the back lenses and the forward-facing lens. Other options at the top are frames per second, shutter speed, ISO, white balance, and tint. One of the cool things that you have the option to do is change from shutter speed to shutter angle, which is what many filmmakers prefer. Then you're on the 180-degree rule, so you just need to change your shutter to 180 degrees. Another one of the cool options they provide in this app is for you to upload to Blackmagic Cloud. That gives you the ability to share all of your files with people who, like if you have an editor, or if you just want to share it to a different device and edit on your computer. The chat feature is awesome as well because it allows you to chat with your editor in the cloud. So if they have information they want to send to you, or if they need a specific shot for you to take, they can send that through a chat message and you'll have it and you'll be able to make that shot and upload it to the cloud as well. Choosing the slate option allows you to see basically a slate. So you can number each take as reel, scene, and take. You can also put inside or outside, day or night, and you can label the last one as a good take. So that's a basic overview of the new Blackmagic Camera app for your iOS device. It is amazing, and it allows you to create your own content. Also, it allows you to learn how to be a filmmaker, so you can add that to your resume. So, if you found value in this content, please give it a like. Also, if you want to learn more about actors tech, follow this channel. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.